Hi, we're the P Hill team with Coldwell Banker Advantage here at Lake Gaston. Welcome to our newest commercial listing at 167 Stanley Road, Henrico, North Carolina, in the heart of Lake Gaston.
Are you looking to start or expand your business in the heart of the Lake Gaston community? This property is currently being offered turnkey or vacant and could easily be adapted to your business. Come on in and take a look.
This meticulously maintained professional building is furnished with a waiting room, 3 office and exam spaces, 2 handicap accessible bathrooms with a handicap accessible shower, a laundry, utility, and kitchenette area, as well as an office and receptionist space. Since this building currently houses a massage therapy spa, all massage therapy equipment and furnishings are negotiable with the sale of the property.
Outside, this property boasts 1 acre of land with a 15-car paved parking lot, an outbuilding, and a carport. If this is the opportunity that you've been looking for to invest in or to grow your Lake Gaston business, call, text, or email a member of the P Hill team today.